ngiyaphinda futhi nengithi Pirates angeke izidlule yiChiefs. Kunama player lana nina nibhizi nihleli lapho. Ayi, mara kunandaba please introduce yourself to my viewers with your name, your surname, ne team bekade uyidlalela today.
My name is Amanda Ranyawa, ngidlalela iDream Team Football Club.
Okay. So manje Amanda, what made you to choose ukuthi ufuna ukudlala ibhola?
There's a lot of things happening in South Africa. Violence, drug abuse. So me playing soccer meant me being disciplined, me being consistent in what I like. Yeah, that's all.
Manje ngiyakubona ufake ibhande lika captain, which means you the captain, right? Meaning you the leader. So what do you think makes a great leader?
Discipline, consistent, being able to work as a team, being a leadership. Yeah, there's more, but for another day.
Okay. So how do you think team yakhe perform kanjani today? Like judging by the way nidlale ngakhona, how do you think you guys perform?
Somehow we lacked communication. We missed our opportunities, which led to the penalties. But I'm glad that we were able to win them.
Yes. Okay, sharp. So when I'm a player, what like just name 3 of your best players
in my team.
Yeah. Not in your team.
Women.
Yes.
Thembi Kgatlana.
Okay.
Lauren James, Millie Bright.
Okay. Kule 3 le o mentionile ne. Start 1, bench 1 and sell 1.
Sell Lauren bench Millie Bright.
Okay.
Sell Thembi Kgatlana, start Lauren James.
All right. So ngifuna ukubuza futhi once again upreferani ukuthi bakuhlaba ibench vele game yonke or bakusubstitute first half?
Ayibang hlabi like bang bench vele.
Bakuhlaba ngebench ne. Okay, before we close it off, word of the day nyana. Ungabaleki ungasabi.
Word of the day. Chase your dreams.
Thank you
no
so
one
much.
will for you. Just chase your dreams for yourself.
Thank you so much. Tap. My wine balega.